What are AI agents? An AI agent is a smart computer program that can do tasks on its own without needing constant human help. For example, imagine you have an AI agent to help you plan the perfect vacation. If you want to find the best week to go surfing in Greece next year, the AI agent can handle this for you by figuring out what to do, gathering information, and learning from its experiences. Here's how it works. The AI agent breaks down your vacation goal into smaller tasks like checking past weather patterns and surf conditions. It uses various tools and sources like weather databases and surfing experts to gather the needed information. Once it has all the data, the AI agent processes it and learns from the feedback you give. This means it gets better at making recommendations over time. Unlike simple chatbots that just answer basic questions, AI agents can plan ahead and tackle complex tasks on their own. For example, instead of just providing generic responses, the AI agent can use its tools and knowledge to offer detailed and personalized suggestions. AI agents are used in many areas. On websites, they can act as virtual assistants, helping with everything from answering questions to making personalized recommendations. In healthcare, they help doctors manage patient data and plan treatments. In emergencies, they can scan social media to find people in need of help and coordinate with rescue teams. While AI agents are great for automating tasks and providing accurate responses, they do have challenges. They need to be carefully managed to avoid over-relying on other systems and to prevent issues that might require human oversight. Additionally, building these systems can be expensive and time-consuming.